Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews on the products you really care about. Today, we're talking about the Kenmore 81214 200 series pet-friendly, lightweight, bagged canister vacuum. This vacuum is packed with features that promise to tackle a wide variety of surfaces and messes around your home. So let's take a closer look at what makes it tick. The Kenmore 81214 is a bagged canister vacuum that focuses on versatility and powerful cleaning. With a two-motor system, it offers superior suction strength that can handle a variety of messes with ease. This vacuum comes equipped with a HEPA filtration system, which is a game changer for allergy sufferers. The HEPA filter traps 99.97% of dust and debris, keeping even the smallest particles contained inside the vacuum. So, whether you have pet dander, dust, or other allergens floating around your home, this vacuum's filtration will help keep the air cleaner while you clean. This vacuum is designed to work efficiently across a range of surfaces. Its 4 height adjustments allow you to switch between bare floors, low pile carpet, and high pile carpet effortlessly, ensuring that airflow is optimized for each surface. The ability to tailor the vacuum's performance based on the type of flooring you're cleaning is a major plus. When it comes to maneuverability, the Kenmore 81214 is surprisingly lightweight for a bagged canister model, weighing in at under 20 pounds. While it's not as light as some stick vacuums, it's easy to maneuver around the house, and the 24-foot retractable cord offers an impressive reach, giving you plenty of flexibility for cleaning large areas without having to constantly switch outlets. The 9-foot attachment reach is also helpful when cleaning tricky spots, like under furniture or along the edges of walls. The vacuum comes with 3 attachments that make cleaning various surfaces and spots even easier. You get a dusting brush, a crevice tool, and a bare floor tool, all of which are conveniently stored on the vacuum. Whether you're tackling upholstery, baseboards, or your car interior, these tools will help you get into those hard-to-reach places. So how does it perform in real-world situations? I put this vacuum through its paces on a mix of carpet, rugs, and hard floors. On hard floors, it did an excellent job picking up dust, dirt, and fine debris. The suction power of the two-motor system was immediately noticeable, leaving floors spotless without having to go over the same area repeatedly. When it came to carpets and rugs, especially with embedded pet hair, it handled the job fairly well, though it did require a bit of back-and-forth action to lift every last strand of fur. The vacuum was also quiet, which is always a nice touch when using a canister model. For pet owners, one of the most important factors is how well the vacuum handles pet hair. The Kenmore 81214 did a solid job picking up pet hair from both carpets and furniture. Thanks to the combination of suction power and the specialized attachments, pet hair wasn't left behind. The crevice tool in particular was useful for getting into the nooks and crannies where pet hair often hides. When it comes to ease of use, the Kenmore 81214 has a straightforward assembly process, and the attachments are easy to swap in and out. The lightweight design makes it easy to move around, but there are some minor downsides to the canister design. For example, it can be a bit unwieldy when you need to carry it up and down stairs. However, that's to be expected with most canister models. It also isn't cordless, so you're limited by the length of the cord. But with a 24-foot retractable cord, this isn't too much of an issue for most homes. Now, for the pros and cons. On the plus side, this vacuum has an incredibly powerful suction system, making it effective on both hard floors and carpets. The HEPA filtration system is a great bonus for anyone with allergies or asthma, and the included attachments make it versatile for cleaning different areas. The lightweight design is also a huge advantage, as it's easier to handle than many other canister vacuums. The retractable cord is convenient, though it could be a bit longer for larger spaces. On the downside, the vacuum's bag design may not be for everyone. Some people prefer the convenience of bagless vacuums, especially those who don't want to worry about purchasing replacement bags. Another small downside is the maneuverability when it comes to stairs. While it's easy to move the vacuum on flat surfaces, it's less convenient to carry up and down stairs compared to an upright model. When it comes to value for money, the Kenmore 81214 offers solid performance at a reasonable price. While it's not the cheapest vacuum on the market, it's not priced at the high end either. Considering its filtration system, suction power, and versatility, it holds its own in terms of value. It's especially ideal for people with pets or allergies who need a vacuum that can handle a variety of surfaces. If you're someone who needs a bagged vacuum with solid suction and a focus on allergen control, this model is definitely worth considering. In comparison to other canister vacuums, the Kenmore 81214 stands out for its two-motor system and HEPA filtration, which makes it a great choice for allergy sufferers. If you're looking for something cordless, however, you might want to consider models like the Dyson V11, which offers powerful suction and the convenience of cordless use, though it comes at a higher price. For a more affordable option, the Eureka Mighty Mite offers solid performance with a smaller footprint, but it doesn't come with HEPA filtration or quite the same suction power. When it comes to build quality, the Kenmore 81214 feels solid, though it doesn't quite have the premium feel of some high-end models. The plastics used in its construction are decent, but not exceptional. The dustbin is easy to empty and the attachments are simple to clean. Over time, the vacuum seems durable enough to hold up to regular use. Though, like any vacuum, proper maintenance, like clearing out the brush roll and checking the filters, will be important for keeping it in top shape. As for customer support, Kenmore has a reputation for being fairly responsive. While I didn't need to contact them directly for this review, many users report positive experiences with the brand's warranty and support services. In conclusion, the Kenmore 81214 200 series pet-friendly lightweight bagged canister vacuum is a great option for people who need a powerful, allergen-friendly vacuum that works well on multiple surfaces. While it's not without its flaws, such as the bag design and the slight inconvenience of maneuvering it on stairs, its performance and value for the price make it a solid choice, particularly for pet owners and allergy sufferers. If you're in the market for a reliable, affordable canister vacuum that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the comments box for more details on the product. If you've already tried this vacuum or have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Goodbye till next time. And remember, it's not just about clean floors. It's about making your life a little easier, one vacuum at a time.